Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fancy Gaming. It is vlogging series for today. Uh, this is Ruby. This is going to be my service animal. We just picked her up from the York Humane Society. She's about 3 months old. But if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. And Ruby will give you a little bit of kisses and also might make more videos of her as well. So the VA told me I need a service animal. So I picked a puppy. And a girl because of you know our cats, and our cats are very sensitive around older dogs that they don't know. So a younger dog with a difference because puppy and older dog has different scent, and she's a girl, so now Tai Tai is happy, and he kind of swipes here and there, but she gets to understand what to do, what not to do as well. Coffee, our 19-year-old cat, loves Ruby, and the other six cats are getting used to Ruby. So we are gonna go to the puppy training hopefully by next week. I gotta stop at PetSmart to the puppy training with her. Then also go do her surface dog training as well, so she can get certified. But it's gonna take about 3 months before she actually starts. I believe the minimum age is like 6 months for it. So 3 more months. She is slowly getting to be able to potty train. She is crate trained, but she does poop in places she's not supposed to poop. And took her to the doggy park today as well, and made friends. We're also gonna go to a nicer doggy park in Pineville when I take Ashley, the doctor, and my mom to Walmart tomorrow morning. So she's gonna be so tired and so activated, and I want to take her to Starbucks and see if she can get her a puppuccino too as well. Um, I want her. Sleeps with me in the bed when I'm taking a nap, but when it's bedtime, she sleeps in the crate because of Ashley. One of these days, she'll be sleeping with me and Ashley, but right now, she does. You cannot say no to this fish, can you? Oh, she's a boxer Yorkshire Terrier mix. For it, she is going to be about 70, 90 pound dog, fully grown. So she is going to be a very big dog in many ways for it. But she is learning very quickly. She is treat motivated, and I love her so much. I love her. I'm more of a dog person than a cat, even though I lived with cats and dogs throughout my whole life. But I think dogs are a lot more better, more affectionate than cats. They come to you if they want it, but not when you want it, and they just swipe you in the head. I just paid the tofu tax, so tofu smacked my head with his claws through my skin, hurt like hell, and bit my skull, bit my head multiple times. So every time I bring a new animal in, I either pay the tofu tax. Tofu is a big cat. He's a freaking almost 25-pound cat of pure muscle and fat. So he will basically do. Everyone has to pay it. So that's how tofu accepts other new animal if you pay the tofu tax in many ways as well. And why is there music in the background? There we go. YouTube. But yeah, but so far, she's doing good. This is her third day with me. When this video comes up, it'll be her fourth day, and just getting her used to walks. She was in a kennel for so long, and she doesn't know what walkies are or a lot of things are. All she knows is poop and pee where she sleeps. So we're trying to fix that and get her out of her shell in many ways as well. But anyhow, enough about the puppy. Well, she tried. We're doing Bertoli next for painting. And for Bertoli, we're doing the Royal Duke on Pegasus first. Then work our way down there. I rather do like a single piece than multiples that do a lot more, like a full battalion towards the end, in my opinion. For D&D, we are just taking out some old stuff that I 3D printed. We did 3D printed Cirrus Victoria, Alucard from Helsing. We got Samus. I got a Sand, Shy Gal, and Ashley from Resident Evil. That's gotta be sanded. That has to be painted. Pinups probably gonna be once or twice a month. I usually don't want to do too much pinups. It just takes a lot more time. The bigger they are, the even I'll be on the airbrush for hours upon hours, and it hurts my hand a lot of times. I'm still thinking of upgrading my airbrush, but I already spent like a lot of money on the dog, so I'll be getting new airbrush anytime soon for it. I don't know if you can hear that. Beat her, hit her like a drum. But yeah, D&D, just random stuff that I have. I have a lot of stuff I gotta put in the garage and start varnish and put everything away. I saw some pretty cool new version of Eldar that's coming out. I do want to get the Children of Emperors box set from Games Workshop because I want my own set of Sound Marines for it. I do want to work on a Celeste army, but majority, like probably like 70 to 75% of my Celeste army would be 3D printed, because a lot of the Celeste armies are really old and they don't look good. I like to sexualize Celeste army because she's the chaos god of lust, and so I want the lust effect, to be, lust and pleasure to be one of the main theme of the army I want to make for her in many ways. School started and getting the new routine, waking up early again, and machining class. We got technology and science, I believe, society and technological change for one of the classes as well. Then I'll have another two classes in March for programming on CNC lathe, and orientation class, like 1 credit. That I really don't need, but I just need to get the 12 for the GI Bill as well. But we are gonna have. If you guys want more video of this little cute girl, little Ruby, say hi, Ruby. Are you so cute? Yeah. If we try to get her trained so that she'll be here in this office majority of the time. I have AC blowing and the fan on due to the fact it gets hot here, and she gets really hot very easily, even though she's short fur. She produces a lot of heat, so I need to cool her down as much as possible and make her, feel more comfortable around here and stay with me for a long period of time. The Patreon videos are going to be up more than usual, I believe, because it is a shorter month. So I'm going to try and squeeze as much Patreon video as possible. If there are Patreon videos you want me to look at, please leave it down in the comments. I'll take a look if I haven't, looked at them before or not. Anyhow, guys, thank you guys very much. I really do appreciate it. So bye-bye, Ruby. Said bye-bye. Ruby said bye-bye. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much, and have a great day. Take care, guys. Bye.